Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to open or start a new project with Python and Django. So today we will learn how to create diagnostic laboratory management software. For this, we first select a folder. Here we name the folder is DLMS, the short form of Diagnostic Laboratory Management Software. So first, in this URL, I write CMD and then enter, press enter. It will be open a command prompt. Here we should we will write our necessary commands to create a project folder, virtual environment, and others. For this, firstly, we should create a Git repository. For this reason, we open the GitHub desktop software. GitHub desktop, in the GitHub desktop software, in this file, firstly click file, then add local repository. Add local repository. So I click add local repository, then choose the path of the repository. To the path of the repository, my folder then was named by DLMS, short form of Diagnostic Laboratory Management Software. So I select this folder and select folder, click select folder. When I select and click add repository, there this directory does not appear to be a Git repository. Would you like to create repository here instead? So I click create a repository here and it will be a repository. So I write the description diagnostic laboratory management software. Then choose the local path. Here is folder and software product folder and the folder name. Initialize the repository with readme. I check it and the git ignore, license will be default. So I click create repository, then it will be create a repository. So we wait some time. Okay, the repository has been created, and then the repository name current repository DLMS, and then we will click the publish repository, and it will be published github.com, so that we can control version in different PCs. So it will take some time. We need to wait for this. A repository will be created in the GitHub desktop so that we can work or development work anywhere from anywhere. Okay, it was complete. It has been completed. The repository has been created, named by DLMS. So we can see in this folder the git attribute and readme.md. And here now we write cmd. Okay, it will be command, open a command promote. Here, firstly, we create a virtual environment. The command is vnb sorry, pym py get m and den b, then virtual environment name I have named env and click enter. It takes some time, so we should wait for this. After creating the virtual environment, we already show in our PC folder that has been created env. So we need to wait sometimes. Be patient. It will be creating very soon. It depends on PC system, hardware system. In my PC, it takes, I think, too much time. Okay, it has been created. Now we need to activate this virtual environment. My virtual environment name is env /scripts. Scripts. Let's activate dot path. This command will activate the virtual environment. Okay, I press enter. Okay, it has been activated, is indicated by the first bracket. Now I will install the Django framework. So pip install Django. Pip install Django. This Django will be installed in this virtual environment, and it will be latest version because I have not indicate any version. So pip install Django and then enter, press enter. It will be installing Django. Okay, it start to working. It takes some time. In installing collected packages, tz data, SQL parts, AS, grep, Django. So we need to wait for this to complete the Django installment. After this, we will first create a Django project, and then we'll create Django app, project app. So it takes some time. Okay, it has been completed. It has completed. So now we will create a Django project. Django admin start project. I will name my project BLMS project, and then get press enter. Okay, project has created. Now I will open this project in VS Code. So the command is code space dot, and then press enter. It will be open in my VS Code editor. It takes some time, and it should be installed VS Code before. So here my project is opening in VS Code. Okay, done. The project has been opened in VS Code, and my project name was DLMS project, and here I will open a terminal, new terminal. It takes some time. Okay, so we will direct cd DLMS project, and then Django admin start app, DLMS app. My app name will be DLMS app. So enter, press enter. Okay, it has created. So I create a Django DLMS project and DLMS app. So now I will run it in my server by manage.py run server. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, it has created a URL, and then control plus control plus enter, then it will be successfully install Word successfully configuration. So we will see the next steps of developing diagnostics management system or software step by step. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.